and it means the immediate end to the war itself, not just Gaza. It's the war itself.
The war that never seemed to end might finally be nearing its conclusion, as US President Donald Trump has proposed a 20-point peace plan aimed at ending the long-standing conflict between Israel and Hamas. And Trump said that Netanyahu has agreed over the plan. The plan promises an immediate ceasefire, hostage releases, humanitarian aid, and a bold vision to rebuild Gaza into a peaceful and prosperous region called New Gaza. So let's have a look at the key elements of this plan. Immediate ceasefire and hostage release. If both sides agree, the war will end immediately. Israeli forces will partially withdraw to prepare for hostage release. Within 72 hours of Israel's acceptance, all hostages, alive or dead, must be returned. In exchange, Israel will release 250 Palestinian prisoners serving life terms, 1,700 Gazans arrested after October 7, 2023 attack, and for each deceased Israeli hostage, Israel will return the remains of 15 Gazans. Amnesty for Hamas members. Once hostages are freed, Hamas members who renounce violence and surrender weapons will receive amnesty. Those wishing to leave Gaza will be granted safe passage to other countries. Demilitarization of Gaza. All military infrastructure, including tunnels and weapon facilities, will be dismantled. Independent monitors will oversee complete demilitarization. Hamas and other factions will play no role in Gaza's future government. Board of Peace Oversight. A new international body, the Board of Peace, will be created. It will be led by Donald Trump and global figures like Tony Blair. The board will oversee transition, redevelopment, and ensure peace is maintained. Transitional governance. Gaza will be governed by a temporary technocratic body made up of Palestinians and international experts. It will be in charge until the Palestinian Authority is reformed, and it will be responsible for reconstruction, administration, and basic services. Economic rebuilding plan. A panel of regional experts will design an economic development strategy. It will be inspired by successful cities in the Middle East. A special economic zone will be established with favorable trade terms and investment opportunities. Palestinian statehood. Israel will not occupy or annex Gaza. The Israeli Defense Forces will progressively hand over the Gaza territory it occupies to the International Stabilization Force. But the plan does not promise immediate statehood. It suggests that with Gaza rebuilt and the Palestinian Authority reformed, conditions could lead to a credible pathway to Palestinian self-determination. The US will initiate talks between Israel and Palestinians to define a political horizon. Overall, Trump's 20-point proposal could be a turning point in the Israel-Hamas conflict. It offers a plan for peace, hostage recovery, economic revival, and a new vision for Gaza. But its success depends on acceptance from both sides and the ability to turn bold ideas into action. What are your views? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.